Just picked up a new power supply. I figured I'd do a real quick review. It's a MATRIX 32v 6 amp. Got selectable presets. The main reason I bought it, got the on and off switch. Could switch it between 110 and 220. You just turn it on. To preset them, what you got to do is hit the volts or the amps. Then once you go over to it, you click to move positions. So say you want to set it for 12 volts, bump it down to 12, say 2 amps or 1.5 amps, bump it up to that. Then like a car radio, you just hold it in and it's set. Let's do a real quick test of the accuracy of it. Okay, and like I said, the nice thing, all you do, you hit this and then you could turn it on and off. So there's 10 volts. Go to the volts. Get over. 11, 12, 16, up to 32. Seems pretty right on. It comes with just the device, power cord, and these leads. They seem like, turn it back off, they're silicone, nice and flexible anyways, but I'd switch them out if I was you. Let's bump this, do a quick test. This is a 30-watt LED. Let's take it down to, start around there, 17, and turn it on. And then just slow, hit the button, and then just slowly bump it up. And you can turn it off without turning the whole machine off. That's the main reason I got this. So, I'll do a quick look at the inside, and that will about wrap it up. Thanks. Just a real quick look at the inside. Basically looks like any other switch mode power supply. All the solder joints look good. Nice big caps. Although this heatsink seems a little cheap. Might want to replace it with something better. And it looks like the front banana plug sockets are just screwed in, so it'll be easily replaceable. But other than that, just your normal switch mode power supply. Nice big transformer. And that wraps it up.